Hi Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for February 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to use this oracle deck that I have here. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave them. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of January 2022, stepping into February or stepping into the new month, we have the Two of Cups. I think in the final days there were unexpected surprises in store for you. Maybe this was also the time when you were having reunions, you were relaxing, or you were having fun. Overall contentment was quite likely for Leos in this time. Besides, there were also gains. Overall contentment was quite likely at this time. Maybe you had also quoted a higher price for your services and you had got what you desired. Obstacles to overcome are the challenges that February is going to pose for Leos worldwide is the Four of Swords. This is certainly the time to take a back seat. You need to retreat from the world like this person here. He seems to be in a contemplative state of mind. He seems to be gathering his thoughts. Maybe there will be calls for an interview or there could be job opportunities, but you may be undecided. I think you should also guard yourself because there are going to be rivals who are going to threaten your position. Maybe they're going to sabotage your interests or they're going to play spoil sport. Influences for this month, we have the King of Cups. I think this person is quite like the healer. Maybe you're also legal, you're giving advice to others, or perhaps you're dealing with lawyers and medical representatives this month. I think the Cup's energy is also asking you to follow your instinct rather than ignore it because it is going to be imprudent or unwise to do that. Leos, in this month, you should also find alternatives and solutions to the problems that bother you. Sometimes, you may also feel as though your family members aren't supportive, while outsiders seem to go with your point of view or they are rallying around you. Paperwork or technical work is also going to increase in this time. But then the energy is such that you will complete the task. Maybe you will move from one task to another very swiftly. Deals are also going to be struck this month, but then you should be careful because your agent or someone who is the middle person in your transactions could ask you to lower the cost of your services. Perhaps Leos, you should not let anyone take undue advantage of you. The first 10 days of February, we have the Three of Swords. This figure here, this lady here, she seems to be despondent. She seems to be in mourning. There are going to be challenges in store for you. I think there could also be a rift in a relationship or some kind of separation or parting. This could take a toll on your health. So you should be careful of your health this month. Even in financial matters, I think you should be more clear. Maybe someone could question you with respect to financial dealings. Other than that, Leos, I'm also picking up that the work environment could be a bit stifling. Maybe because of the Swords energy, you are going to give a piece of your mind, especially in the first 10 days. Though the overall energy is such that you want to take a back seat, but then sometimes you're going to speak up or your words could cut like a knife. Nevertheless, I think it's your presence of mind which is going to benefit you as well as others. The next 10 days, that is towards 11 to 20th February, we have the Star card. I think you'll be quite nostalgic in this time. Possibly, you're also dealing with a past life issue here. Maybe there'll also be spur of the moment decisions. Perhaps this energy is asking you to be more forceful and aggressive. Your expectations with respect to work will also be sky high, but then it's best to tone it down a bit. I think sometimes you could be disappointed, but you realize that you have tried your utmost and that you cannot fight destiny. Like I said, this month someone could definitely try to sabotage your interests, try to hinder your plans, so you should be very vigilant and watchful. The final days of February, we have the Wheel of Fortune. Definitely, it's all about karmic rewards and punishment. We did clarify the Wheel of Fortune and we have the Ace of Swords Again, this is the Swords energy in this reading, so you are going to be quite decisive. It's going to be a dramatic period. Possibly, Leos, you will also be forced to communicate with someone, maybe because of family issues or maybe because there are problems at hand, and you believe that this is the person whom you need to turn to. Besides, Leos, I think because of your forceful nature, you could rub people the wrong way. Maybe you're irritated or exasperated because of small issues which could snowball into bigger issues. It's best, to bury the past. Maybe you want people who are raking up the past to back off. I think time is also at a premium in this time. Communication is also going to bring in gains for you. So you should seize the day. With respect to your love life, Leos, I have this card, Wedding Bells. I think many of you could be in a mood to celebrate. Maybe there's going to be a formal proposal from your person this Valentine month. This could be true for some of you. Maybe this person is like the King of Cups. He wants to offer you that cup of love. Certainly, Leos, there are going to be admirers. You're going to be wooed. Maybe this person has plans to get hitched or he wants to settle down with you, but then it's also quite likely that some Leos may spurn the attention of prospective suitors. On the other hand, those of you who are crushing on someone or in case you fancy someone, I think you should tone down your expectations. Maybe your love is not going to be reciprocate. Perhaps you see this person as marriage material, but then you could be left heartbroken. Nevertheless, I think this month, those of you who are romancing, you will have brief conversations with your person. Maybe you're also going to have dreams connected to your romantic connection. Perhaps, Leos, you should be mindful of your words while dealing with your person or your beloved. Even in marriage, there could be unnecessary arguments. Maybe there's also a third person who is creating rifts. Maybe that is why we have this card. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating new opportunities for you. Like it says here, you should dissolve the disagreements. It should all fizzle away, and there should be white light, or there should be positive energy within your relationships. The universe is also asking you to pay attention to 333. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is quite communicative, someone who is quite creative as well. You seem to want to party or you want to have fun in your life. Or maybe you need to be more creative or you need to socialize this month. Incidentally, the last card in this reading is Dance, which talks about celebration. Like I said, you need to loosen up, you need to sway to music, whether in private or whether in the company of your friends and family members or even with someone special. Maybe for some of you, a social event could also bring you into the path of a prospective match. All in all, February is a month when you need to safeguard your health. You should also be careful of your rivals, but you are going to make quick progress this month. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.